The crypto market is looking really strong right now. We're also going to go look at stocks and look at that in relationship. And full disclaimer here, I haven't looked at finance.yahoo.com today at all, except for this morning. So it's interesting to tell, but you're going to get my reaction when we go over there, because what's been happening is that for the last 36 hours or so, crypto's been up and the stocks have been down. This is in direct correlation to the CPI, Consumer Price Index report we got, as well as kind of the State of the Union of uncertainty and doubt around inflation and all that other stuff. But that's what we're going to get into this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, drop a like. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Let's tell the algorithm that we are here. All right. So what we're going to do now is look, the overall market is looking, as I said, very, very strong right now, up 3+%. It's actually been up higher today. And you got Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 24 hours doing really, really nicely. Okay. You got Bitcoin on the 24-hour has hit a high of 23,182. It's basically at that high right now, and doesn't really even feel like it's going to slow down, quite frankly. And you got Ethereum up 3.5%, BNB, XRP's up, Dogecoin's up 4.5%, Polygon up 4%, Solana 4%, so forth and so on. SHIB's up 5%. That's definitely on the news of Shibarium and the upcoming release there. I expect that to go higher when we get the Medium blog update later today at some point. But everything up. Tron's up, Avalanche is up. Everything's up really, really nicely. This is a really strong across the board rally, if you will. So let's take a look at it real quickly. Now, I have not refreshed this, so let's see what's going on here. So refreshing this. Okay, so the stock market has paired some of its losses. Earlier today, you saw before I refreshed it, was down about 200 plus points. Okay, and so the S&P and the Dow is falling a little bit, obviously related to the CPI report, as I mentioned, and related to kind of what the hawkish Fed expectations may be when the Fed meets again in mid-March. We'll cover that in another video. But crypto has definitely been doing very, very well in the last 36 hours. So it feels like an overall kind of broader market rally in crypto, and less so on the stock side, And again, I'm always telling you this because I want you to understand that you need to always be aware that these things don't happen in a vacuum. Crypto doesn't happen in a vacuum by itself. There are these outside macro factors that impact it, right? What's going on in the stock market impacts it. The Federal Reserve impacts it. Inflation impacts it. Global macro events, Russia-Ukraine war, whatever it may be. All those kind of things do impact crypto in one way or the other. And that's what I do, is try to keep you updated with all that. That's my goal. Real simple, is to help you navigate crypto, keep you updated. So links down in the description below to kind of all things additional that I could offer and help you with. Speaking of that, I've got something new that I'm starting for my private Patreon members at the $20 a month level here. A, I'm thinking about raising it, but B, what I'm thinking about doing is, if you click on the link down below to my Patreon, you'll see this page. You can join and cancel anytime. What I'm thinking about doing over there is I'm going to do is I'm creating different portfolios. I'm going to create a blue chip portfolio in AI crypto. And I will buy and hold, like for example, AI cryptos. Okay. I'm going to do probably a gaming portfolio. These will all be different. And I'm going to put up my own money and I'm going to invest in them. And I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. Number one, I want to help those people that need help and kind of see what a good, diversified, broad market portfolio looks like, as well as show you guys buy and hold strategies, as well as show you swing strategies, swing trading. So I'm going to do some swing trading over there as well. If you don't know what swing trading is, trying to buy at certain levels, ride it for a certain point, pick an exit point and exit, right? Hold, watch the market go down, whatever it may do, buy in, things of that nature. Buy, just basic vanilla swing trading, nothing really complex. I'm going to be using an indicator to do that. That's a trading view indicator to do that. Let me show you kind of what that looks like. So this is kind of what it looks like. So this is what the indicator looks like. So you can see it layers on top of trading view and shows buy, sell, buy. Okay. So I bought way back here. I actually held it through this sell cycle because I wanted to see kind of what we would get back down to, especially for SHIB. And I knew that SHIB was going to come back because of what has transpired, with Shibarium coming. But you can see that the indicator said buy here, actually sell here, and then buy here. Now, this is something I'm just testing right now with SHIB. I've been testing this indicator. Really love what I'm seeing. It's a very, very, very straightforward indicator. And you can change it on the 1 hour view, 3 hour view, 2, 4, whatever it may be. But I love this. Like, look at this buy right here. You can see, let me show you, let me zoom that down a little bit. You can see it executed on a buy here. It initiated a buy here. This is before I started using it, by the way. And look, it said ride it all the way up here and sell. And you see all this momentum moving down. So it basically minimizes risk from that standpoint. That's what I really love. So this is kind of something that I'm going to employ in the swing trading scenario to help my private members. So if you're interested, links in the description below, and you can come on board. This is not buy alerts, trade alerts, sell alerts. This is me doing my own portfolio, and you can follow along with it, and and do them if you want, or whatever it may be. So just, I want to clarify that. Okay. So links in the description below to my Patreon. Check it out. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you.